Hey, what's up everybody? Sean here with Empire Auto Spa, and man, behind me we have the second 63.5 Ford Falcon that we've done for this very special client. I want you guys to get an opportunity to see what we've done to this amazing automobile, but before I do, I want to give a huge shout out to this client. Many of you at home have sent us a number of vehicles, and one of the things that we want to do is really step up the love. One of the things we've done in this instance is we've actually made a purchase. This is an original 1963 Q code license plate. Now these things are unbelievably difficult to find, and we wanted this owner to have this very special gift from us here at the Empire. For everybody that brings us vehicles, we want to say thank you to each and every one of you, and we're always looking for ways to do so. Check out this video in this awesome 63.5 Ford Falcon.